How long does Sharp TV last? Sharp TVs are known for their durability and high-quality displays, typically lasting 6 to 10 years with regular use. With proper care and optimal settings, they can function for up to 15 years, offering a long-lasting entertainment experience. 1. Average lifespan of Sharp TVs. A Sharp LED or OLED TV is designed to last 60,000 to 100,000 hours, translating to 6 to 10 years of daily use. The actual lifespan depends on brightness levels, power usage, and environmental factors. Second, display technology and performance. Sharp TVs primarily use LED and OLED panels, both of which have different lifespans. LED TVs last longer due to their energy efficiency and lower risk of burn-in, whereas OLED models provide better contrast but may degrade faster over time. 3. Factors that affect TV longevity. The lifespan of a Sharp TV depends on brightness settings, heat management, and power fluctuations. Keeping the brightness too high, poor ventilation, and frequent power surges can significantly reduce its longevity. Fourth, common issues over time. Sharp TVs may experience backlight dimming, dead pixels, and power supply malfunctions after years of use. Overheating and software issues can also impact performance. Regular maintenance and software updates can help prevent these problems. 5. Warranty and manufacturer support. Sharp typically provides a 1 to 3 year warranty, covering manufacturing defects and hardware failures. Extended warranties and certified repair services can help maintain the TV's longevity. 6. Tips to extend the lifespan of a Sharp TV. Lower the brightness to reduce strain on the backlight. Turn off the TV when not in use to minimize wear. Ensure proper ventilation to prevent overheating. Use a surge protector to guard against power fluctuations. Keep firmware updated to improve performance and prevent bugs. A Sharp TV can last 6 to 10 years or longer with proper maintenance and responsible usage. By managing settings, ensuring good ventilation, and protecting against power surges, users can extend their TV's lifespan and enjoy a high-quality viewing experience for many years.